want to transform your relationship with lots of love and compassion, would you like to attract right kind of people in your life? Would you like to reduce anger in your own system? So let me tell you my own personal experience. I used to be a super duper angry person. People used to call me like a walking volcano. Even when people used to come near me, they used to be afraid and run away because I used to be a very angry person. Slowly, when I started healing and started utilizing the pink quartz crystal more, my anger started reducing deeply. Now I have full control of my emotions and charge. So if you want to reduce your anger, improve love and compassion, transform your relationships, attract right kind of people in your life, reduce conflicts, then this rose quartz crystal is for you. If you want to reduce anger of some of the family member also, you can suggest them also. So again, rose quartz comes in various forms, in the form of bracelet, pendant, mala, as well as a water bottle with lots of crystals. So I would always recommend use combination of bracelet, pendant, and water bottle together, because the outer objects helps in aura cleansing and the surface level, deeper level cleansing, as well as the body. The water bottle combined together, it helps, as our body is 70% of water, to bring the cellular level shift faster. It helps more further. And also the crystals which has been used, pendants and bracelet, can be only used by one person. If you have the water bottle, it can be used for multiple people. So use the combination of different products always. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to hear your experiences after using pink quartz crystal. What kind of transformation do you see in yourself? This is for those who don't know or want to know what are crystals actually. So crystals are form of minerals that are formed within the earth. If you see, all the gadgets has some or other kind of crystals. Crystals has the property to amplify the signals whatever are being sent through them. Crystals have its own conscious beings energies within it. It's in a higher evolutionary state. There are different kinds of crystals, thousands of kinds of crystals. In this store, you find limited number, which we feel are apt to address some various aspects of life. That's why we keep it limited. So that's why when you utilize crystal in whatever activity you do, it starts amplifying, be it related to health, finances, relationship, spiritual aspects. It helps in start amplifying. So use combination of various crystal. If you want to use physically, use in the form of pendant, bracelet, or mala, so that they are always in contact with you, and so that your every cell of mind and energy of your system continuously is at a higher state of vibration. You are not impacted with lower vibratory energy. Use combination of crystals. If you are using bracelet, use 2-3, that is sufficient. Don't use so many different types. And always use combination of water bottles as well along with it, because when you use crystal water bottles, it helps in clearing and reprogramming at the cellular level. Why? Because our body is 70% of water. When the crystal energy goes at the water level also, it helps in very, very powerfully transforming. All the crystals in this store I personally consecrated by me, energized and charged, so that you can directly utilize its used for specific purpose. So when it comes to bracelet, pendant, and mala, if you are personally using, no other people should touch it or no other people should use it. Only you need to use. If you are using a water bottle, entire family can utilize it.